The appetite of laborers works for them. Their hunger drives them on, the driving force behind every worker. It is nothing but hunger. If there is no hunger, they will not rise in the early morning. They will not go for work at winter times. They will choose to sleep and take rest. But God provided that hunger. Likewise, people are scattered and roaming without God. Why? Because they don't have that appetite for God. They don't that hunger for God. So if you want to save people from sins, first we need to give them that hunger, the word of hunger for God. So remember, take care when you preach others, when you talk to others for their welfare about God, make sure that God is talking through you. It will help them to get that appetite for God.